Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy, and today I would like to share you a plate of strawberry buns. I shape it almost like croissant, but they are not croissant, they're just regular sweet buns. Um, I use this recipe quite often, and well, it's actually my go-to recipe, and I often share it on my blog over Steemit. If you have dairy allergies or egg allergies, this recipe is good because it doesn't use dairy or egg. You can use dairy and you can also use egg if you want to, but even without those, as long as you have liquid like nut milk and aquafaba, it's chickpea brine or any other kind canned beans brine. You can also make the brine yourself. You can use those, but even without aquafaba, you will be able to create a nice fluffy strawberry buns or sweet bread. Keep watching the video and I'll show you how I made this. Thanks for watching. So what we have here is the dry ingredients. This is 3 cups and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of icing sugar, and I already sprinkled a pinch of salt, so that will be our dry ingredients. I'm going to show you the wet ingredients now. So for the second ingredient, what I have here is actually melted yellow shortening. It tastes like butter flavor. You can use vegan margarine or vegan butter or any other fats of your preference. I already mixed 2 tablespoons of chickpea brine, which is known as aquafaba as well. You can use any kind of aquafaba from red bean or black bean, but I have chickpea. I have a lot of them in my fridge, in the jar and in my freezer as well. So yeah, this is 120 gram of yellow shortening that you melt later on, and then mix it with 2 tablespoons of chickpea brine. Now you want to cool the melted shortening first before you mix in excuse me, before you mix in the chickpea brine, and set that aside. And I'm gonna show you, oh, just in case anyone's wondering, 2 tablespoons of chickpea brine, you can substitute it with 1 whole egg if you're not vegan or have allergies to eggs. I'm gonna show you the yeast mixture. For the yeast mixture, I have 250 milliliter of almond milk here. You can use any kind of milk or liquids of your preference. You can even use water. I prefer cashew milk, but this time I use almond milk. Into this 250 milliliter milk, I will add 1 tablespoon active dry yeast, and you want the milk to be lukewarm, not hot, not cold, so the yeast can bloom. Okay, for the filling, what I have here is homemade strawberry filling. I will not have the video for this one because when I made this I took pictures instead, but I will provide the recipe to make this strawberry filling on the description below. Now that everything is ready, you just want to combine them all, and then you have to knead the dough. The yeast already bloomed, aquafaba already mixed, and dry ingredients also already mixed. Just want to give a stir. With a wooden spoon, you want to mix them a bit before you start kneading the dough. This is the recipe I'm using is my go-to sweet buns, sweet bread, sweet rolls recipe. So you won't have to worry that you will be failed in making this. It will produce a nice fluffy bun. It's not difficult to make. It's pretty simple actually. Just follow the ingredients measurement and mix them all, and you knead it, and then you just have to let the dough rest for an hour so it will double in size. And you want those flour to completely disappear as you combine, mix roughly. It's getting there. This is about 5 to 8 minutes, maybe less. There we go, it's nice now. You want to cover it with cling wrap and let it rest for an hour. Now that our dough has doubled in size, as you can see, it's nice. There you go. We're gonna roll it flat. You want to kind of make a circle. And you want to slice it with pizza cutter. It's pretty handy. Just grab the top and pull it over. After all portions fill, we're gonna let rest the dough for about 20 to 25 minutes and then preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then we're gonna bake the sweet bread for 20 to 25 minutes. I'll season. Now that the buns or bread already rested, preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. You can brush the top with brown sugar solution or aquafaba or milk, or leave it as is.